Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Colouring Heaven Fairies in Nature Special. As I've said previously, I am trying to collect all the previous issues from when I started the subscription, so you'll see previous books coming onto my channel at some point or other. So this has got 40 exclusive enchanting and playful designs by Jenny Cook. I've just got this one today, so I'll get started. So paper quality is same as the others. Some of the line work seems to be a bit faint, but that shouldn't be an issue. Just move book across a bit. So the other page was Best Friends. This one is Moonstruck. I suppose you can use any mediums on these, but always be cautious of bleed through. This one's called Wonder. This one's called Afloat. Then we've got Guardians. Aren't they cute? Fairy Princess. I've seen a lot of people colouring in this book. Fairy Prince. New Arrival. I'd class that as a Cabbage Patch baby. Fairy baby. Cuddle. Doghouse. Walkies. Shelter. Little Artist. Feeding Time. Giggle. Reflection. Crystal Moon. Green Fingers. Secret. Treehouse. Resting. Reap and Sow. Mischief. What's up, bulbs? Birthday treat. We all could do with that on his birthdays. Posy 1. Posy 2. Posy 3. Hitch a Ride. I don't know if it's just my copy, but I bought this off Second-Hand Woman today. There's a few bumps in paper, but it shouldn't put me off being able to colour in it. Just make sure. Oh, Happy. It's alright, my phone's above me, so I've got to like keep bobbing up to look at the screen. Hide and Seek. Sleeping. Bunny Hop. Care. Blown Away. Precious. Leapfrog. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Winter. And that's back up book. And then you get the image at the back as well. So yeah, that's that one. Fairies in Nature Special by Colouring Heaven. Again, thank you all for watching, I really do appreciate it. Click that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload any new content. If you won't mind subscribing, I'd really appreciate it. If there's anything you want me to review or flip through, just drop me a comment, I will get back to you as soon as I can. As always, take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.